Yeah. Try out the new mount I just got. This is a legit GoPro mount. You can see it, magnetic, and it's got this nice little teeth right here. Seems to work pretty well. We'll continue testing it out and see how it does. Thought I was dragging some shit. Where should we go? I missed the start of this on the GoPro, but we're checking out this new spot that we had found on Google Maps, and we've never been to it, so it's pretty neat. But it kind of sucks that with it getting later in the year, getting darker quicker. The headlight from the ground really doesn't light up the picture quite like how it does in the daytime, so it might be a little hard to see all this, but it's all a learning experience, you know, trying to learn how to use all this. We'll get to it. How was it?
Huh?
How was it?
That was not bad at all.
No?
That was actually like, it went way smoother than I thought it could have.
No shit.
I thought I was going
I thought it was going to be kind of rough.
Dude, that was just, whew.
Dude, I'm scared to do it. I'm not going to lie.
Like, dude, that was pretty fun.
I'm fucking scared.
You need to do it.
I'm scared.
Yeah.
No, I'm scared. Fuck
You know what,
that.
dude?
Hold on. Let me...
See, now you're ready to do it.
All right, man. I'll send it after you, boys. Should I get more speed?
Dude, my front end came up a little bit after that one.
Yeah, last one, dude, I gassed it right at the end, and the front end, it wasn't like high, but it was up.
Damn, I have to look at the footage, but like I know I hit the dirt bad.
Did
Like,
you?
I didn't clear the whole jump, I'm saying.
I'm pretty sure I cleared it by a little distance.
Oh yeah, I'm sure you're sending, you're full sending it. Oh well, next time I'll full send it, now that I did at least one.
Hell yeah.
Get my ass home, boy, I'm cold.
I know, right?